We're going to do a quick review of this chair that I picked up on Amazon. The company's name is Colamy. It's a big and tall chair. Needed another very comfortable chair for the barn, so I figured I would give this one a go. And we'll get it unboxed and we'll put it all together, and then we will kind of do a final review. Okay folks, so we went ahead and spent 10-15 minutes unwrapping everything, all the protective padding and everything. The quality on it looks pretty decent. It looks pretty sturdy. You've got your instruction manual in case you have any issues. If you've ever put an office chair before, looks like it's pretty straightforward. So you got all your little tool set there and all your different screws that you're going to need, and basically all the parts. And I have the cushions here off to the side. So let's go ahead. We'll get it started and get it put together. All right, folks. Our Colamy chair now. It's been 3 months. What do we think? Well, it has worked out real well. In terms of putting it together, no problem at all. Basically just needed to snap a few things together. You know, put the screws where they needed to go, put those little plastic tabs over the top of it, and easy day. No problem at all. Very easy for the chair to spin around. Nice little headrest here. Back support is good. The seat itself, very comfortable. Enjoy sitting in it. The armrests are plenty wide. So far, it's been a big hit here in the workshop. So anytime anyone wants to take a break from a project, it's very easy to settle into this chair and not want to get out of it. So it's gotten high marks from everybody that has sat in it. So I think it's worked real well. And I think it's going to serve very well in the workshop for years to come. And people definitely enjoy sitting in it. So in the end, folks, I think for the value, it's good value, and I think it's worth looking into. So definitely check it out. Y'all have a good day.